the beads, the bangs,
the bangs. Oh, fuck no, not the bangs.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, so I've been wanting to do this braided hair at the front with beads at the ends of the braid and curly hair at the back all summer long. However, the way I've been seeing people do this style is by crocheting curly synthetic hair to the back of their head, and synthetic curly hair is notorious for knotting up very quickly, probably lasting like 3 to 4 days. Fine, maximum a week. And with impeccable timing, that's when HerGivenHair reached out to me and I saw this beauty. Thanks to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. This is a 16-inch 3-in-1 Curly Half Wig from HerGivenHair, and I have just recently started delving into the world of wigs and weaves. So I know there's a high chance that I probably am the last person to have heard about half wigs.
And today is my first time using one.
So here I said this is going to be perfect. First of all, it's human hair. So I can refresh the curls and use hair products on it, and it can last a very, very long time. So it's not just a one-time use. Secondly, it's a half wig. So it comes with no lace, no headband at the front, and actually, look at this. The front of the hair has the fold over thing with the hair. You see, it's like an invisible hairline. You see how it fold over? So there's no need for the crochet method to pull the hair and like hide it or blend it. It already comes like that. Plus, because it has a drawstring, I can turn it into like a ponytail. You know what? Instead of just telling you all the styles that this 3-in-1 wig can do, I'm going to show you today. So I've already braided the front of my hair. You came prepared.
And I decided to do the braids before even coming on camera because it's honestly the most unnecessary part of the hairstyle. Like, I could do all of these styles without the braids at the front. But, you know, if you want to be extra.
Yay! Look at it. It's so cute. For style number 1, let me put my hair up in a ponytail. And now with my own ends, I'm going to just give it a loose twist and protect it. So the half wig comes with 4 combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the front, 1 at the back, and a drawstring. You can draw the string all the way shut. So much space. Look at all that space. So I'm going to take the front comb first, attach it, press it in, nice and secure. Then before I secure the back comb, I'm going to pull the drawstring, nice and easy, tuck the string under, don't want anybody to know our secret. Then I'm going to use the comb at the back, and I'm going to tuck it into my own hair. Look how easy that was. Woo! Look at all this hair. I've tried a ponytail before and it was really hard to get over my own hair, but this was very easy to pull over. This has a lot of room. I can see somebody with even locks being able to use this ponytail. Like, I've seen persons with locks grow their hair and then like they can do like the flat twist, and then if they put their hair up in a ponytail, yeah, this can pull over their locks and it could have like curly ends. I think that would be cute. Look at ideas. And I mean, if I do get tired of the beads, I could just like tuck them under all this hair. Look at that. What beads. Look at this.
Yeah, I think I like this style better without the beads. So now before we get more creative with our styles, I'm gonna put my hair into some jumbo plaits so the half wig can fit nice and snug on my head.
Nobody's going to end up seeing my doodle plaits, alright? So ignore them, alright? I just needed the back of my hair to be more compressed. And to compress the hair a lot more, I'm going to braid the end of these plaits. So with my plaits fully tucked away, I'm going to add my 3-in-1 half wig.
So I'm going to first attach the back comb, then the front comb, and just like that, I have a full head of wash and go.
And then the side combs. To completely secure this wig onto my hair.
And look there, just like that, a full wash and go. Actually, call this a clip and go.
Look there, just pin it in and it's done. And it's so comfortable. This is it. This is it. Yes, I could have used my own hair and do this entire style. I could have a twist out at the back and corner my own hair at the front, add some beads, and it would have been a look. But it wouldn't be a protective style. I just attach and go. That's it. No crochet method required. Just attach and go. So we try using this wig as a ponytail, as a half wig. Now, let's see how it functions as a headband wig. Cause if out of this one hair, we can actually pull off the headband wig style, this is the definition of convenience. Real bang for your buck. Alright, let's pull our cornrows back. And I'm going to add a wig cap to hold down the hair. So as before, start with the back comb. Tuck it in nice and good. Then the front comb. Go and tuck it right under the wig cap. Side combs. Alright, let's add the headband. So I got 3 cute headbands with this wig. Let's try the animal print. The headband style. And then with this, there's like endless possibilities. Because then if I have it like this, I can do a half up, half down. Hold up. Look at that. I didn't even plan for this. So by using the wig in this way, you clearly don't have to add braiding hair to the front of your hair. You could just like flat twist your own hair at the front. Or you could just gel down your own hair and then add the 3-in-1 wig as a headband wig. I love it this way. I love this. Oh, okay. I'm getting carried away. One more style. One more style. What if? Let me pull the wig cap up a bit further. Wow. this cap is really big. Guys, let me tell you. I have a big head, okay? So the fact that I can pull this wig all the way so close to my hairline, honestly.
So that means I could have used this half wig to get like a full wash and go look by just taking a tiny bit of leave out on my hairline and blending it in with this wig.
So I'm just taking a portion of hair from the half wig. Let me put less here. So just a small portion. I'm going to pull it back a little bit. And I'm going to add hairpins. I just got a faithful style out of this wig. Look at it. The hair is so soft, full, and it's so easy to work with. Like, this is like a wash and go in minutes, okay? Minutes. You see how I changed from style to style? Just like back to back to back. Let me know down below in the comment section which style was your favorite. I cannot believe I got so many styles from this one half wig. Like, if this isn't bang for your buck, I don't know what is. If this isn't versatility, I don't know what is. So I'll be wearing this style for the next 2 weeks while my hair is nice, protected, and covered underneath. I'm going to most likely take it off to go to bed, and then when I'm ready to go out, I just put it on and go out. No troubles. Thank you again, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, be sure to check the description box where I'll have a direct link to purchase this exact 3-in-1 16-inch coily hair. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's alright. I don't vex with you. I'll link some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.